Hello everyone, let's understand menstrual cycle in our today's topic. It occurs in all the female primates. In human females, it starts at the puberty and that is called as menarche. In human females, the menstrual cycle lasts for an average 28 to 29 days. The menstrual cycle begins with the menstruation phase in which menses occurs. Result of menses is due to breakdown of endometrial lining along with the blood vessels releasing fluid through vagina. And if menses occurs, that indicates that ovum was not fertilized. Absence of menses indicates pregnancy, but it is not the sole reason. It can be due to stress, poor diet also. Menstrual phase is followed by follicular phase in which follicles starts developing in the ovary from primary follicle to secondary, tertiary and finally the most mature follicle, that is Graafian follicle, under the effect of gonadotropins released by pituitary, that is FSH and LH. These follicles are responsible for formation of ovarian hormone called as estrogen, and estrogen in return is responsible for proliferation of the broken down endometrial lining. Hence, from the uterus point of view, we call this phase as proliferative phase, but from the ovarian point of view, we call this phase as follicular phase. Now, when LH surge occurs, this Graafian follicle ruptures to release secondary oocyte through the process called as ovulation. This secondary oocyte goes into the fallopian tube. Ruptured Graafian follicle forms corpus luteum under the effect of LH. This corpus luteum is temporary endocrine in nature, responsible for formation of progesterone and estrogen. This progesterone and estrogen is responsible for proliferating and maintaining the endometrial lining along with formation of some glands which are nourishing in nature. Hence, from uterus point of view, this phase is now called as secretory phase, and from ovarian point of view, this phase is called as luteal phase because there is dominance of corpus luteum. Now, if pregnancy do not occur, then progesterone level goes down and due to which endometrial lining again shades off, which starts the menstrual phase again of the next cycle. This is how the cycle keeps on repeating. I hope the topic is clear. Thank you.